Today, we bring you a clear and focused update from the Spotify Camp Nou construction site, where work continues at full speed and progress is visible in every corner of the stadium. From the hybrid pitch to the upper cantilevers and VIP areas, the transformation of Barça's home is advancing step by step. One of the most important steps is the hybrid pitch installation. Heavy specialized machines are working directly on the field, stitching thousands of synthetic fibers into the natural grass. This process strengthens the surface and ensures durability throughout the season. The pitch already looks impressive from above, showing the stadium is moving closer to match readiness. At the south goal, construction activity has resumed strongly on the second cantilever. Workers are installing rebar and preparing the base for new concrete pours. This area had been waiting for progress, and now we see a significant push forward. In parallel, the VIP areas are rapidly advancing. Internal walls, partitions, and beams are taking shape, while formwork and reinforcement define the structure of premium lounges. Once completed, these sections will become a key revenue source for the club. Moving higher, the second VIP floor already has multiple pillars concreted, extending toward the next cantilever. Slab installation on the third cantilever is also progressing, with cranes lifting steel beams and heavy structural frames into position. Safety nets are being secured on the upper edges, a clear sign that preparations are in place for future facade work, including the modern ceramic panels that will wrap the stadium. On the ground, the inspection areas are now cleaner and better organized than ever. Access points around the south goal and the tribune have been cleared, fenced, and prepared for city officials to carry out inspections. Even adjustments outside the stadium, such as the removal of nearby bus stops, are designed to improve access and pedestrian flow, directly supporting the approval process for the occupancy permit. The north goal is another zone of intense activity. Continuous concrete operations are visible, with trucks and machinery working without pause. A major milestone was reached here with the placement of the final steel beam that unites the third cantilever with the lateral stand, completing a crucial structural connection. Protective layers and soil treatments are being applied to prepare the ground for future work. Inside the stadium, exclusive areas are also advancing at speed. The VIP lounges and the so-called canapés hall already show visible progress, with partitions, ceilings, and sections being installed. The new locker rooms are also being prepared. While the definitive facilities will take longer to finish, provisional locker rooms with all basic requirements are already in place, meaning the stadium can be used as soon as the occupancy permit is granted. Overall, the signs of progress are clear across every area. The hybrid pitch is almost complete, the structural unions are finished, the VIP levels are advancing, and the interiors are being equipped. Camp Nou is not yet fully complete, but each step brings it closer to reopening, marking a decisive moment in the history of the club. That wraps up today's update from the Spotify Camp Nou. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next update is coming very soon. Barça fans, stay tuned. Fresh progress and exclusive details from the stadium will be here on the channel in our upcoming reports.